Looking at an issue about your personal rights. It's been about 9 months since Austin police created a search policy. In some cases, officers who want to look through someone's vehicle need to get the written consent of the driver. KXAN's Robert Maxwell set out to see if the department is following its own policy.
Well, tonight we found new numbers show it's not quite as clear-cut as you might think. We were alerted to the idea after a tip from 27-year-old Lawrence Haddad. I got the chance to speak with him. Here's he says what went down. We first showed you at 6 tonight how he was detained after a police officer says he saw him run a red light last May. The officer, Kevin Garvey, thought Haddad was acting nervously. While questioning his passenger, he spotted a small torn baggie in the passenger door handle. That prompted a search based on probable cause. After Haddad and his friend were detained, listen as they're questioned.
What's your first name, man? Hey, Chris, before I go tearing up this car and I find something, is it yours or his? That's his car, so the little baggie and stuff in the passenger door you don't know nothing about?
Baggie?
All right, the one right by your cell phone?
Shouldn't be a baggie in there. I didn't put no baggie.
Then to the driver, Lawrence Haddad, who at this point was in the rear of the patrol car.
You got nothing in your pocket?
No.
Okay. What about in the car?
No, sir.
Okay, if I find anything, is it yours or his?
There's nothing in
Well,
there.
there's a little sandwich baggie right next to the passenger door sill with the cell phone. Is that yours or his?
Not mine.
Now, in that case, police say they didn't need to get Lawrence Haddad's consent to search his car. In the end, they found nothing illegal. A small rock in the bag was tested. It came up negative for crack cocaine. Now, Haddad's experience where no consent was needed makes up the majority of police searches here in Austin. Here's how it breaks down. In 2012, Austin PD conducted 11,719 searches after vehicle stops. Officers said they didn't need consent in 91% of those. They did get driver consent in 4%. But look here, the other 5%, that is where consent status was missing from the record. It appears there's no way to prove consent was obtained in any of those cases if they're relevant, and that could pose a problem for the city if they're ever challenged. When we asked about the incomplete cases, we were told an officer or a court clerk likely forgot to check a box when transferring the paper record into the city's database. And a senior police official tells KXAN this year they should bring in fewer incomplete files as the city brings in an electronic citation system. By the way, you can see our full report on KXAN.com, including the dash cam video of Haddad's traffic stop. We're in the studio tonight. Robert Maxwell, KXAN News.